Hi. Friends, every kids completing their lower primary and upper primary and they enter to the 8th standard, they starts their high school. Now I am showing, see this kit is showing the 8th standard kit and which is designed by ISRT, Institute of Scientific Research and Training. This alpha to omega is well beautifully designed and defined for the high school mathematics basics. So each 8th standard students can find the best working pattern with these beautiful materials which I am opening up here in front of you. So let us go through these all materials. This is a talent hand of ISRT. We have two beautiful CDs which are the maths tutorials and mathematics lab. Now let us go to the two books. One is the mathematics lab demonstration book. This is the demonstration book which shows all the equations, formulas, and the projects are showing from the beginning to the end all the details. This is catalog, and let us see some shapes. And now this is the base of charts. In this chart learnings, we start from the mathematicians like Marie Ampere and Andrew Weil and Charles Babbage. And let us, the Madam problem is here, and we have the constellation puzzle, Ramanujan number we saw, and this is Pythagorean theorem. This Pythagorean theorem is a very beautiful beginning in the high school 8 standards. So see, we can see the theorems beautifully designed, including the Bhaskara's proof of Pythagoras theorem also. It will support every student to make and happy. See, the sequence of input is the input of number 8, and we have with sequence of 8 with 9. What is with 9? And we have age detector table here and binary numbers. This is area of the circle, Pascal's triangle, area of rhombus, product of polynomials. You can see the colors. And this is workboard. And now let us see the material box. This material box beautifully designed, packed well. Now let us see a square minus b square, types of quadrilaterals, tangram, circle chalk, a plus b all square here, area circle parts here, and area of rhombus, sum of angles in triangle, angles in semicircle, a minus b all square, Pythagoras theorem, exterior angle property here we can see, and binary card is the beautiful binary blue cards, and the area of circle is there, Tower of Hanoi, and a plus b plus c all square, and we have Soma cube. Now let us see a beautiful demonstration from the demonstration note. See the condense. We can go to the beginning pages. Let us see a plus b all square. Let us see a plus b all square. See the material kit I am just opening to show you how to prepare this a plus b all square. So now we have the colored squares here. We can see in the book we can see the red, we have the equivalent, we have blue, and in the book we can see the green, we have the yellow, and we have two ABs. The red color two ABs are there. So big square is A square and small square is B square, and the other rectangle, two rectangles are A and B. So that's all. Oh friends, this is the full unboxing video. So now you go to the below description to find the details.